All right, it's time for another new box of books at the library. Come and see what's new. Oops, I keep doing that. Okay, the first book is Blood, Bullets, and Bones, the story of forensic science from Sherlock Holmes to DNA by Bridget Heos. Okay, so for those of you who liked Out of My Mind, we have Blended by Sharon Draper. The Third Mushroom by Jennifer Holm. This is the sequel to The 14th Goldfish. Braveland's Broken Pride, Erin Hunter. This is your Warrior series author. The Truth Lies Here by Lindsay Klingel. The Oceans Between Stars by Kevin Emerson. This is the Chronicle of the Dark Star. Last Day on Mars by Kevin Emerson. Again, this is the Chronicle of the Dark Star too. We have Dork Diaries. This is Tales from a Not So Happy Birthday. This is number 13 in the Dork Diaries series. Hole in the Middle by Kendra Fortmeyer. Escape from Camp 14. This is nonfiction it is a one man's remarkable odyssey from North Korea to freedom in the West. This is by Blaine Harden. Okay, The Royal Rabbits of London. And Be More Yoda, Mindful Thinking from a Galaxy Far Away. This one looks so cute. Well, maybe cute's not the right word, but it looked really good. Night Books by J.A. White. This is your author of the Thickety series. Americanized Rebel Without a Green Card by Sarah Saidi. And this one's a memoir for those of you who like nonfiction books that read like novels. Okay, Spinning Silver by Naomi Novik. Thief of Happy Endings by Kristen Chandler. And The Traitor's Ruin by Erin Beatty. This goes with The Traitor's Kiss, so this is the sequel. Come and check those out. Okay, it's time for some more new books in the library. So in this box we have 2 copies of Diary of a Wimpy Kid, The Meltdown. So this is our newest Diary of a Wimpy Kid book, number 13. We have a new copy of Dracula by Bram Stoker. And Crown, an ode to the fresh cut. This is by Derek Barnes. It's won a lot of awards. Another new box of books. Let's see what's coming to the library. Looks like we have some more new manga. We have My Hero Academia number 1 and 11 and 4, 13. I think the whole series is here, but then we have Nisekyo. I'm sorry, I don't know how to say this. Nisekoi, False Love. And there are 20 volumes of this. I ordered all of those, so a bunch of those are going to be here. Then we have Anonymous Noise. This is number 1. Nisekoi, that's number 16. We have The Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess. This is number 3. Okay, My Hero Academia, 14. Nisekoi, 10. I'm probably saying that wrong. Will somebody please come tell me if I'm saying it wrong? My Hero Academia, number 8. And you can see what these are. Nisekoi 1921, My Hero Academia, number 9. Nisekoi 2 and 23, Anonymous Noise, number 4. Nisekoi 1, Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess, number 2. Anonymous Noise, number 2. Okay, these are all Nisekoi. We now have number 5, 3, 7, and 22. Right. My Hero Academia, number 3. Nisekoi, number 8. My Hero Academia, number 2. And Black Clover, number 6. Come and check them out.